y'all. Just on here. Um, just want to say a lot of thanks to a lot of people. I'm looking kind of rough right now. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been there with me through this whole trial and tribulations. My cousin J Baby, my fiance Mark, my sisters, friends. I can't name everybody. Just people who have faith in me all this time. My mother, my son, and everybody. Um, I don't know where I'd be without you guys, and for that I thank you. So kudos to them. Um, just so much other stuff I want to do, so I'm just trying this whole thing out for right now. Just got the new lip ring. It's big. I gotta wait for the clothes, I guess, to tighten up before I can change it. So everybody probably thinking like, what in the world is that big thing on her lip?